Before we start, let me quickly show you what we are learning in this video today. In this video today, we will be covering 5 most important basics of large language models, also called as LLM. Then we will understand what an LLM is and why it is becoming so popular. After that, we will see how LLMs learn using huge amount of data. Next, we will learn about tokens, which is the how AI read text. And then we will talk about parameters, which gives the model its knowledge and ability. And finally, we will understand the training process or how these AI systems are built. These 5 topics will give you a strong foundation in AI. In the next video, we will cover fine-tuning, prompt engineering, context window, hallucinations and RAG systems. And in the last video, we will cover use cases, cost, speed, future trends and more. So let's begin. So let us start with our first topic. What is an LLM? LLM stands for Large Language Model. It is an AI trained on huge amount of text to understand language and give human-like responses. Think of it like a super smart autocomplete. For example, if you ask to write an email, summarize notes, explain a topic, translate language, or generate code, it can do it in seconds. You give it a question or a prompt and it understands the context and predict the best next words to create a full answer. That is how tools like ChatGPT and the other AI assistant works. In simple word, LLM is an AI that reads, understands and writes like a human. Let us move to the next topic. How does LLM learn? LLM learn by reading huge amount of text from books, website, article, code and conversation. Then the text is broken into small parts called tokens. The model studies patterns between these tokens and tries to predict the next word. For example, the cat sits on. It learns that the next word could be a mat. If it predicts wrong, it compares the answer, learns from the mistake and improves. This process happens millions and even billions of times. Over time, the model learns grammar, facts, writing style, logic and language pattern. This is how it becomes able to answer questions, write content, generate code and hold conversation. In simple word, LLM learns through data, prediction, mistakes and repetitions. So now let us understand what are tokens. Tokens are the small pieces of text that AI models read and process. LLM do not read full sentences like human. They break text into smaller parts called tokens. A token can be a word, part of the word, punctuation mark or a symbol. For example, the cat runs quickly may become the cat runs quickly. It breaks a sentence into parts that is known as tokens. So instead of reading one sentence, the model reads many small pieces. Tokens are important because they affect cost, speed and memory. More tokens usually mean higher cost and slower responses. They also decide how much text the model can remember at one time. In simple word, tokens are the building blocks AI uses to understand and generate language. So now let's understand what are parameters. Parameters are the internal values inside an LLM that help it learn patterns, facts and relationships. You can think of them as the model's learned knowledge. During training, these values are adjusted again and again. So the AI gives patterns. More parameter usually means the model can understand more complex tasks and give smart responses. For example, a smaller model may answer simple questions, and a larger model may write code, reason deeper, and understand better context. But more parameters also need more computing power, time, and cost. In simple words, parameters are what gives an AI model its intelligence and capability. Now, let us understand the training process of an LLM. Training is how an LLM learns from a massive amount of text data. First, companies collect data from books, websites, articles and code. Then the text is cleaned and converted into tokens. Next, the model reads the text and tries to predict the next word. For example, the sky is, and the next word it must be predicted. It may predict blue. If the answer is wrong, the model measures the error and adjusts its parameters. This process repeats billions of times. Over time, the model becomes better at language, reasoning, writing, and answering questions. Training needs huge data, powerful GPU, time, and high cost. In simple words, training is practicing at massive scale until the AI becomes smart enough to respond well. That covers the first 5 basics of LLM. In the next video, we will move into more advanced and practical topics. We will learn fine-tuning, where models are trained for specific tasks like healthcare, finance, or customer support. Then we will cover prompt engineering, which means writing better prompts to get smarter and more accurate answers. After that, we will explain the context window, or how much information a model can remember at one time. We also talk about hallucination, when AI gives wrong and made up answers, and how to reduce them. Finally, we will cover RAG systems, where AI connects with external data sources to give in more reliable and updated responses. These topics are where LLM become truly powerful in real-world use cases. So get ready for practice examples and deeper understanding in the next video. Thank you for being till the end of this video and learning with me. I hope this video helped you understand the basics of large language model in a simple and practical way. If you found it useful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram for more AI, tech and future focused content. Your support helps us create better videos and keep sharing valuable knowledge. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with anyone who wants to learn AI. And most importantly, keep learning, keep growing and keep building your future. Together, let's create a smarter future. So see you in the next video.